Hello dear student, this is Rajwan Singh and today I am going to teach you the chapter Debu and Mika remaining part. My dear student, in the previous video I have told you scene first and some lines that I explained, and in this video further we will read. So let's start. Mika is a robot and Debu is a small child, and his father, that is called Papa. These are the character in the story, in the dramatical story. So dear student, let's start. After this, Debu says, so you think you are smart, don't you? Debu says that you are thinking that you are very smart to the robot, but you are not so smart. And Mika, of course. Mika answers, of course, I am very smart. It is very right. I am smart because I can give the answer of your all questions. I am programmed to answer many questions. I have a lot of answers. Ask me any question. And after this, Debu, imitating Mika, says, I am programmed to answer, mimicking, repeating the word of Mika to teach Mika. He says, many questions. After that, Debu again says, can you really answer questions? He asks question to the robot that can you really answer of all my questions? Mika answers, of course, I can give answers. Debu says, okay. All right. I have this homework to complete. Debu says to robot, I have some homework to complete and it's on history. It's about horses. I have to use a pen from the past and write in a notebook another thing from the past. So much history for one assignment, do you think? And he asked, do you think? Can you do this? Will you be able to do it? Will you be able to do this? Can you do this homework? Debu asked Mika. And further he says that Mika answers, yes, of course. I can complete your homework. Mika answers, the robot answers, yes, of course, I can complete your homework. Debu jumps up with a joy by hearing this, because now he has not to do his homework. Robot can do it, and he thinks that every day Mika, that is a robot, will do my homework, will do his homework daily. And he became very happy. Then Debu says, now I am free with happiness. I can go out and play with my friends. And he became very happy at that time. He danced around the room, holding Mika's arms, holding robot's arm. He became dance. He starts to dance in the room. Mika stays stiff at that time, and Devu says, "Bye, Mika," and went to play outside. Mika also says, "Bye, Devu," in answer, and the scene first is over at that time. So, dear student, we will start scene 2. The next morning, Devu is sitting up in bed. Next morning, Devu is sitting on his bed and saying his homework with a smile on his face. Devu, what fun I had. Devu says that I have a lot of fun because I have not to do my homework. It will do my robot, Mika. And I can play with my friends, I can go outside and etc. etc. So dear student, because Mika, my brilliant robot, must have finished writing it. My dear robot can do my homework and he will do my all the homeworks daily, and I can go outside the room and I can play. Devu jumps out of bed. Just do like before. He is enjoying and picks up the notebook and opens it. His smile vanishes, and when he looks up, he is horrified. Devu says, "But what does this mean?" After seeing homework, he says, "What does this mean?" Papa walks into the room, and at that time, Devu's father enters the room. Papa says, "Devu, can you? Why? What is the matter? Why do you look so unhappy? What is the matter?" And after that, Devu says, "Papa, today, Papa, Monday morning can't be so bad, but after all, what happened? Tell me, what is the matter? Why are you so upset?" Devu says, "Oh, it is Papa. Look at my homework. Here is some problem in my homework." Shows Papa his notebook, and Papa's face becomes serious to see the homework. Papa is saying, "What is the meaning of this, Devu? Where is your homework?" Devu, "This is my homework." Devu says to his father that, "See this is my homework." Papa says, "This? How can you call this homework? This is written in robot language. This is not written in human handwriting. This is written in the robot language." Devu, "This is what Mika calls homework." Devu answers, "This is what the Mika call homework." Papa, "Mika? What Mika? What does he have to do with your homework? You have to do your homework yourself. It is your work. Then what have done the Mika with your homework?" Devu, "Everything I asked Mika to do my homework yesterday. Papa says with a surprise, Debu, how could you ask Mika to do your homework? Debu says, but Papa, I wanted to go outside and play with my friends. So I have given all the homework to robot Mika. And Mika has told me that he can do my homework. So I gave him my notebook and went away. What am I going to tell my teacher? Papa answers, you will have to tell your teacher the truth. And there is no any other option to save yourself. Tell the truth to your teacher that this happening are going on with me. I hope you haven't learned a lesson. Debu, you should never ask others to do your homework because homework is only for you and you have to do your homework yourself. So be concentrate and always think this is your homework and you have to do your homework yourself. Devu says, but Papa, every single robot is fabricated for a specific purpose. To make a robot, I have a single purpose. And our Mika has been built to do domestic chores. That's all he can do very well. But this is your homework. He can't do in your language. He can do, but in robot language, not in your language. So your homework, and you have to do your homework yourself, not by the Mika or robot. So dear student, today this is enough for you, and we will meet in the next video. Thank you. Have a nice day.